I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Check your device model and current iOS version so you know compatibility, and make a full backup to iCloud or your computer. This protects you if anything goes wrong. Once done, go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Immediately open Automatic Updates and disable both Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates. This prevents background fetching. Make sure to leave the device connected to power only when you want updates. If the update is already downloaded, remove it. Settings General iPhone Storage, find iOS 18, delete the update package to stop prompts. Next, mute Settings app notifications so banner alerts don't nag you. Go to Settings Notifications and turn off sounds and banners for settings. For a lasting solution on multiple devices, install a configuration profile or use an MDM to set update policy. This blocks visibility of the update and is why enterprise tools are often used. Finish by rebooting the device to clear temporary caches, then check Software Update to confirm iOS 18 no longer shows. If you remove the update and see issues, restore your backup from iCloud or your computer. Do this only if data is missing. If notifications or the update reappear, reset network settings or reinstall the blocking configuration profile. This usually fixes server check persistence. If nothing helps, temporarily enroll in beta or remove the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.